Welcome to Chapter 8, The Community and the Helpdesk. Everywhere you go in your Resengo admin, that simple question mark in the bottom right is your ticket to a world of assistance. It's the gateway to twin pillars of knowledge, the Help Center and the Resengo community. First, the question mark brings you to the Help Center. Here you can browse articles, how-to guides, report issues, and more. The magnifying glass will search the available resources for your answer. If you don't find it there, then try Ask the Community. You can direct your question to fellow Resengo users who have been there before and know how to help. Feel like an expert? Head over to the community and share your knowledge by answering questions from other entrepreneurs. Still not finding what you need? We have you covered. Just ask a question to support, and our dedicated Helpdesk team of support experts are ready to assist you. To create your support ticket, just provide a brief title and a detailed description of your issue. Screenshots and documents are helpful, and choose the best category to get your ticket to the right expert. In some cases, you can initiate an express ticket. These receive top priority and immediate attention. Express tickets may require service credits, but if it's due to our error, no credits will be charged. Any other questions? Visit community.resengo.com. Here you can browse through existing articles, ask questions yourself to support or the community, and follow up on these questions. That's all for Chapter 8. Check back for more incredible features and tools in the world of Resengo.